did good last time. Also, luckily, I'm having a break on this to the mainland, where the mainland just comes from. It kind of most of the time, they're just there for a couple of weeks. One, to be stupid, or two, just be a show off. But the one thing I don't like about this matchup is this not so steep hill. I make it up there easily. Somehow, some others fail. Me, you're driving. No, I wouldn't. Let's just pick up some 4 speed. But what if we crash? That would never happen. Trust me. Well, okay. If we crash, we both might get into trouble. Wait, what? Wait, what? We just missed our station. Exactly. Wait, what? Oh no! Oh no! Break! Oh no! Whoa! Well, at least I'm on the car! I always like right on time. Not late. Maybe I have a special rain power. What the? Jimmy's driver? Why are you here? And what are you doing here? Well, my Jimmy had a crash into a field and his bag was damaged. Can you go get the breakdown? Okay, I will. Wait, what the flip? Listen, Jimmy, this accident isn't all your fault. However, you should have listened to your driver when he told you to slow down. And your driver's kind of around too. Since he's the one driving you, he could have slowed you down and not him telling you how to slow down. Since you're just an engine and you don't know how to slow down by yourself. Only your driver knows how to do it. So, you will be getting a new driver that is actually smarter, and you will have some new set of brakes and a new tender. You will have a bigger tender, or you can just stay like you can just have that tender, and you can have and you can have a different name. Since some people don't really like the name. But I don't think that's a problem. But I always have to name it a different name. Do you like that a little bit? Yes, sir. Yeah. I don't have a name. But I don't really think that's the problem right now. I think you're probably here Oh, hello, Jimmy. Sorry, but that's not my name anymore. What do you mean? You changed my name. Wait, what did they change your What did they change your name to? Well, they changed it to, yeah. That's not a bad name. It's a good name, I guess. Yeah, true, but it's a little bit bad. Yeah, sure. If you excuse me, I'm gonna go into the back of the buffer.